So I've been meaning to make this video now for a while, and it's not like that I haven't had time to do it. It is even if April and May are kind of slow months tour-wise, so I had the time. I have a lot of office work that I need to attend to these months, but that is not the reason I haven't done this video. You see, I had this condition. Welcome to a world where some days your focus is laser sharp and you can do amazing things in a relatively short time. Other days, equally busy but achieving nothing at all. Have you ever set upon finishing a small project, but in the end of the day, you done absolutely nothing? You ever wanted to file your tax return? You set aside time to do it, then you just don't for 3 years. If that's you, congratulations, you just might have ADHD. Some days having this condition is absolutely great, because I can get a lot of things done. I'm laser focused, I'm sharp, I can get a mind-boggling amount of work done if the criteria is right. Other days, I'm just, bored, start 100 little things, and I don't finish anything. Well, very little. It doesn't mean I'm not busy. I'm busy being busy, I guess. I'm just watching YouTube videos, check the refrigerator. 12 billion views. That's a lot of fucking views. Let me see. I wonder what is most viewed. Yeah, that's the most viewed. Imagine this being the most viewed video, Baby Shark. And it made, just on ad revenues, it made $17 million. Imagine that. I think. Oh, Mr. Beast. Cat's a cannonball. That should be.
Today we're gonna test multiple different ways to stop cannon. We're gonna try and get on the way back. It's right there. It's right there.
Fuck it. I need to finish this shit. I have a home office, so there's a lot of temptations I need to deal with. Stupid guy. And the end of the day, I've been busy, doing stuff, but at the end of the day, I'm like, what the fuck did I do today? Really, what did I accomplish in this busy day? One of the many downsides of this condition is that I keep forgetting stuff. I forget a lot of things. Well, usually it's not the big thing. The important things I do remember is at least I make an effort to make a calendar item in my phone, so I do remember the important thing. But this is small things that I constantly forget and lose stuff like my keys, my car keys. I'm just constantly looking for my fucking car keys and my phone. I can't really count how many times I had to go to find my phone in my computer and make it beep so I know where it is. Because it's not that I lose it, I just misplace it. I just can't remember where I put it. Where's my fucking phone? It's probably upstairs. So I live in a 3-story house, and sometimes when I'm going out, I have to walk up the whole 3 stories 2-3 times sometimes to get something. You know, this is all manageable, but it's irritating. Oh. It's in my pocket. Fuck. But the thing is, when I'm going on a photo tour or something important and I need to bring my camera gear with me, it's best not to forget anything. You know, that it has happened, but it happens very rarely because I have a system. And that's very important. If you have if you live with some nuances like this, you need to develop some systems, some strategies that help you. And one of the systems I have in place is that I always have all my camera gear in one place. I have it in the bag. And it's ready to go at any time. And also I need to organize stuff in the bag, so I know where it is. So I'm just not constantly looking for batteries or memory card within the bag itself. That's also annoying. So, but there has been like to get a nice backpack which is big enough to hold not all my stuff, but a lot of my stuff. It's difficult. Has been difficult, and also to organize stuff within the backpack. But I finally think I have a backpack that can actually help me with this thing. It's a very cool backpack. It is big. It has a lot of these, it comes, these pouches, they come with the pack, which is really nice for me because, you know, I tend to put like, here are my filters, for example. I tend to put my filters everywhere, and then I need it and I just don't find it. And here I have my memory cards and my batteries, all in like this one little pouch, which is really nice because I don't have to like, where the fuck is my you know, when I'm shooting, it's just in my pouch. Given that I always put it back in it. But for me, the best practice, so I don't forget anything, the best practice is to keep everything in the bag. And when I'm going somewhere, I will just take out what I don't need in that particular trip. So then I never forget anything. I just, you know, it is much better than trying to remember everything I need to take from a shelf or wherever I keep my stuff, because, you know, believe it or not, I am not particularly organized. Things are not where I thought I put them. Not everything fits and not everything needs to be in a backpack. I have another bag where I will put all my chargers and cables and, you know, stuff. Everything that doesn't need to be in the bag on the field. But after a lifetime dealing with these conditions, you know, I learned to live with it, even enjoy it sometimes, because there is never, ever a dull moment. But I need to have some systems in place. I have a few to make my life easier with dealing with this stuff. And one of the systems I have is what I already told you. Put your stuff in one place. Have it ready at all time. But another thing you might find helpful, or at least I find helpful, with dealing with just life in general, is to manage my expectations. Because if I have too much and too high expectations for everything, I kind of open myself up for disappointment. And this is especially true when you're going on a photo tour and you need to rely on conditions, for example, in Iceland or Norway or stuff, where conditions are ever changing. But I did make a video about managing your expectation on a photo trip, and you can watch it here. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.